let's go in Asian market and pick up some stuff. Okay, so I've got to get some stuff in here because of course Wei is Asian and he likes Asian stuff, so ooh. So I've got to pick up a few things. So here's one of the things I'm getting. Whey. Whey noodles. And Whey calls the ramen that we eat mama noodles. And I guess right there's why. I got some that were duck. And oh my gosh, they were so good. But I cannot find them anymore. Dare I even try? So this is my haul. I have never eaten at Popeyes. I know, shame on me. So let's go in here. Let's do my first time at Popeyes. So here's what I got at Popeyes. I got a 3-piece with a biscuit, mashed potatoes and gravy, coleslaw, and a great big, huge sweet tea. Okay, it's my first time trying Popeyes. I'm gonna try the mashed potatoes and gravy first. Gravy. It has a little peppery taste to it. It's really good. Oh yeah. And there's little chunks of potato in there too. Well, let's try the coleslaw. Yeah. That's just like Mama used to make. Okay. Let's go in for the big reveal. Let's do the chicken. They're so juicy. They're good. And the biscuit. Got to do the biscuit. So I took a bite of everything on here, and I'm gonna finish everything. But I just wanted to tell you, yes, I have really been missing out because Popeyes is really good. I'm telling you, if Popeyes would at all possibly come to Harlan County, Kentucky, they would totally wipe the KFC there out of business. This is so good. This is my first time ever having Popeyes. And it's so much better than the KFC in Harlan. Sorry to say that, but it is. This is the Popeyes in Kingsport, Tennessee. So whoever is on this franchise, come to Harlan, please, please. It is very good. And these potatoes with that gravy, It's very good. And that coleslaw tastes just like my mother made. It's really very good. Very good. I'm gonna finish now. I just have this last piece of chicken to go. Some mashed potatoes, some coleslaw, and I'm saving the biscuit till last. Bye. Yep, and there it is. That was good. I will definitely be coming back to Popeyes.